Hi, Jill here from the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show. I wanted to take a few moments to talk about our experience earning our plant-based nutrition certificate from the T.Colin Campbell Center for Nutrition Studies at Cornell. The 6-week course covered a lot of ground to really give a complete picture of the current state of nutritional science and a plant-based diet. We feel this course should be required for anyone going into the healthcare field to enable medical professionals to provide real solutions to the laundry list of chronic diseases straining the world's healthcare systems. So many times during the course, we would have to stop and yell at the ceiling, why isn't some version of this course being taught in all schools? So it's so exciting to see a course of this quality being taught at such a respected university. We finished the course with a renewed sense of purpose to spread the message of the power of a whole food plant-based diet, and know we will be leveraging what we learned to make even more delicious recipes for all of us to enjoy.